See a vapor trail in the sunset? Flight 93. Check and post in 5. Check your family's lifeline. Check America's lifelines. By making a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for 9 years. I'm Melton. John Melton Brady. Have yet to get one. You got the timestamp on your phone. You got the number dialed. When it doesn't match up with my call log videos, your call records. Check it out on youtube.com/DNFD series. Look for Melton's call logs. Last one I made was Thanksgiving of last year. When you've got video proof of organized crime, hijacking America's lifelines, we have phone game. Be the reporter. You make the video, you post the video, all with your phone in less than 5 minutes. Hand out these cards, which you can find at those sites, to tell everyone to do that, just that. Check and post in 5. Flight 93, check and post in 5. You're trying to call Melton, you want to know why America's lifelines are not allowed to work when you do that? Because you don't know when else your phone won't be allowed to work. Not one Flight 93 checking 9 years of asking. So make that video. Whatever you get when you don't get me, that boring thing, that phone ringing, that error message, the busy signal, if you get to leave a message, I don't get it. It's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, paramedics, so make a video. We the people must be the reporters. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of our hijacked lifelines. Helicopter. Check and post in 5. 424-229-4140. That's a Flight 93 check, a 9/11 Flight 93 check of America's lifelines. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady. I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for over 9 years. I've yet to get one. Try to call me up in front of mayors, governors, senators, network news anchors, local news anchors. Ask them, why can't I reach Melton? When else will my phone not be allowed to work? Whatever boring thing you get, guys, a phone ringing, an error message, a busy signal, it's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, or paramedics. And when you get that all the time, calling up other customers, yeah, it's your gates light with a check and post in 5. See a vapor trail or two in a sunset? Flight 93, check and post in 5. Be on the side of those driving the tanks, the jeeps, the jets, the side of children in truth. See the phone you're making a video of? It's every child in America's lifeline. To the firemen, the police, and the paramedics. And make a video of being hijacked as you try to call me. 424-229-4140. You can certify your mail as well. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. Make a video of that mail before you send it. It's going to be stolen. We the people must be the reporters. Make that video of your lifeline not working, not knowing when else it won't be allowed to work. Post YouTube, MySpace, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, 100 more. Here's how you can check your family's lifeline and your ability to put food on the table for that family. Your business phone's ability to reach customers. Whoever's in that room there with you right now, make a video of their phone, their family's lifeline. They use their phone for business. Trying to call me. 424-229-4140. I'm Melton. Yes, son of a carpenter. My dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Marianne. I'm a son of a carpenter. I get to tell parables. This is one of them. And I'm also telling you how to check and post in 5. A 9/11 Flight 93 check of America's lifelines is you trying to call me. Making sure your family's lifeline is allowed to work all the time. Who knows why it's not? Why I haven't gotten a Flight 93 check call in 9 years of asking. No certified mail about those 93 checks, or the Osama rumor, or the Tommy parables about the No I'm Chinese fella. All of my funny, all of my off the wall, all of my mean fire and brimstone parables. Not one comment by phone or mail. It's what I call the Great Wall of Evil that has just me and all of my imagery. This is March 2018 imagery, most of it. And it's got just me in it. Go to a lot of these sites, like vote-truth.blogspot.com, where you can download those files, along with 6+ gigabytes, 2 DVDs worth of imagery that just has me, the handsome bald guy there, in it. You're going to find something you like, print it out, but be sure to print out those files to tell everyone how to Flight 93 check and post M5. You make the video, whatever boring thing you get. When you don't get me, melt them. Whatever boring thing you get. Phone ringing, error message, busy signal. Get to leave a message, I don't get it, you don't show up on my caller ID, my call log, my call record. Whatever boring thing you get. It's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, the police, paramedics, or your family does. And it's money out of your pocket every day when you call up countless other customers and you get that boring thing you get when you try to call me. It's your Gates livelihood. So Gates and Google in the computer industries. So whatever's a big name, Spectrum. That's what's their decibel law-breaking fleet you might hear in the background. It's rather lower than it was at 7 o'clock this morning, as they take active part in America's hijack lifelines. But so Spectrum can charge exorbitant amounts for internet access, because no one else can compete in a business where they can't reach their customers by phone, mail, or internet. This affects everything, but most importantly, that's your lifeline, your family's lifeline. Make that video of whatever you get when you don't get me and post it. Oh, MySpace, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and 100 more. We the people must be the reporter. Try to call me up in front of reporters, network news anchors, local news anchors, any and all in the public eye. Tell them, the reporters in particular, everything's fake news to you compared to your family's lifeline not working. So yes, when you hear that siren, let it be a reminder to check your phone to make sure it's allowed to work all the time, like when you might need that siren. Firemen, police, paramedics. Make that video, post that video, download and print out those big files. They come 1 to a 4x6 print. Oh, all my imagery there in that 20,000 plus is designed to be printed out as 4x6 prints. That's why it's on the 4x6 background. You can cut the background out if you want. Just hand them out the way they are. Tell everyone to Flight 93, check and post in 5. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of our hijack lifelines, our Gates livelihood, money out of our pocket, and stolen peace of mind. Trying to find one. Oh, there we are. Those are 2 to a 4x6 print right there. All firefighters, all policemen, all soldiers make videos of each other's phones, of course. Military bases phone, as you try to call me, the fire station's phone, the police station's phone, for all you firemen and policemen. You can't reach me right now. You have no idea how many in your neighborhoods can't reach you or can't reach you in a timely fashion, and seconds count when you are needed. So make that video, hand out those fives, tell everyone to check and post in 5. Be the reporter. We've got to. They're not doing the jobs. It's easily documented. Certify that mail, FedEx, UPS, any private carrier. But yeah, it takes just 5 minutes to make that video. Whatever you get when you don't get John Melton Brady. Melton. At 424-229-4140. Let's see a helicopter. Flight 93, check and post in 5. I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for over 9 years and I've yet to get one. I'm Melton, and John Melton Brady. Make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. It's gonna be boring, a phone ringing, an error message, a busy signal. But it is not gonna be boring. You need the firemen, police, paramedics. So make a video of whatever you get. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. Make that video, post that video. And come see me in person. Tell me what you think of our hijack lifelines. Every time you hear that siren, document our hijack lifelines. Make the video, post the video, whatever you get when you don't get me. YouTube, MySpace, Instagram, Twitter, 100 more. Gate for March 2018 includes all of the imagery I designed. Well, a few are from outside the month of March, but a lot of the imagery is from March 2018. It's my gates to livelihood. Make a video. 9/11, Flight 93, a check video. You're checking your lifeline. You're checking America's lifelines. When you can't reach me, and no one has with a Flight 93 check and 9 years of ASCII, we have PhoneGate. Whatever boring thing you're going to get, phone ringing, error message, busy signal, it's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, paramedics. So make that video, post that video, and tell everyone else to do the same. You can find on vote-truth.blogspot.com these 5s to tell everyone how to check and post and pipe and do that. Come see me in person. See a vapor trail, Flight 93, check and post and 5. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady, and I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for 9 years now. That's you trying to call me, seeing censorship that affects your lifeline. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. Every time you see a vapor trail, hear a siren, check your family's lifeline, check America's lifelines. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. When it doesn't sync up with our phone records, yeah, you got PhoneGate. Certify your mail as well, 4260 Eagle Boulevard, Apartment 49, Los Angeles, California, 90065, and 424-229-4140. It takes just 5 minutes to make the video of whatever you get when you don't get me. Trail. Be on the side of those driving the tanks, the jeeps, the jets, the side of children and truth. Make a video of America's hijack lifelines. I'm Melton. Oh, my imagery just finished processing. I'm Melton. My videos for the day are low depth. I've been asking for Flight 93 checks. 9/11 Flight 93 checks of America's lifelines for 9 years. I've yet to get one. Find those Melton's Call Log videos on youtube.com/the series, and also at these other sites here, vote-truth.blogspot.com. You can download these 5s. Tell everyone you know. Make a video. Oh, those are credit card size. They'll fit in your wallet. Laminate them, they'll last a whole lot longer, but you don't have to. Pass them along. Tell everyone. Try to call Melton. Make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. When those phone records don't match up with your video, you got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. When that happens, yeah, we got PhoneGate. Make that video, post that video. Be the reporter. You have to be on the side of those driving the tanks, the jeeps, the jets, the side of the children and truth. Be the reporter. Call me up in front of reporters, network news anchors, local news anchors, that senator, that mayor, everyone in the public eye. Try to call Melton in front of them. Get their reactions and post. See a vapor trail in the sunset. Oh, might be more than one up there. Flight 93, check and post at 5. You're trying to call me, Melton, John Melton Brady. And you want to know why America's lifelines are being hijacked when you do try to call. These cards, 4x6 prints, business card size, credit card size, driver's license, and the bigger ones are good too. The 1 to a 4x6 print and the 2 to a 4x6 print. Make that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. Tell everyone else to do the same. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed, you're making a video of that when it doesn't match up to our call records. We have PhoneGate. Every time I see a vapor trail. See a vapor trail or two in the sunset? Check America's lifelines. Check your family's lifelines. I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for 9 years. I have yet to get one. I'm John Melton Brady. There's my contact. Make that video whatever you get when you don't get me. And post. We the people must be the reporters. Call me up. Try to. In front of network news anchors, local news anchors, any and all in the public eye. And make a video whatever boring thing you get when you don't get me. Be on the side of those driving the tanks, the jeeps, the jets, the side of children, and the truth. Make a video whatever boring thing you get when you don't get me. It's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, the police, and the paramedics and you're getting that. So be the reporter. Document America's hijacked lifelines. See a vapor trail at sunset. Flight 93, checking posting 5. Let it be a reminder to check your family's lifeline. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady. And I've been asking for Flight 93 checks for 9 years. I've yet to get one. You make the video, you got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. You can certify your mail if you want, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Make sure you make a video of that because no mail about those 93 checks or any of my attempts at getting stuff in 9 years of asking. Make that video of your hijacked lifelines and post it. YouTube, MySpace, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, 100 more. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of our hijacked lifelines. Carpenter Mary. Daddy Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables, and I'm also pointing out your family's hijacked lifelines. Make a video of it right now. 424-229-4140. Make a video whatever you get when you don't get me. I haven't gotten one Flight 93 check in 9 years of asking. Download these files from all these sites, Vote-Truth and all the others. And yes, check and post in 5 in front of Martha Mesa and all of the doctors of the Adventist cult hospitals. Being obvious as hell, she can't process insurance papers. And it keeps sending me bills to dissuade me from going to her. I'm assuming I need a doctor. I'm a handicapped man. Make that video of you asking Dr. Mesa what she knows about this. Your family's hijacked lifelines. Post.